Hello and welcome to Gunkraft Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to create a vendor NPC using the Citizens NPC plugin that just got recently updated. So you start off by creating an NPC. You stand where you want the NPC to be and type NPC create and the name. And note that NPC will load the skin based on the name. So if you want it to have your skin, you use your name, and I'll just use someone who I know has an awesome skin. And the NPC is here. It loaded the skin and it is already selected. So you can select NPCs by right clicking on them, but this one is already selected, so we don't get any messages. And what I'll do next is I want to customize how my NPC looks. So I'm gonna type NPC item, and item will replace the item that it's holding in its hand. So I'm gonna say NPC item 276, which is the diamond sword. And note that I have a diamond sword in here, and you have to have the item to give it to the NPC. So it's holding the sword now. Then I'm gonna say NPC helmet and 310. And you can see that it takes the items out of my inventory here. And next is NPC torso 311, and then it's NPC legs 312, NPC boots 313. And I don't have any of these items, they're all equipped by the NPC now. So next thing we want to do is we want to enable the trader mode for the NPC. So to do that, you type /toggle trader, and it deducts the gold from your account, and the NPC becomes a trader. So next thing you want to do is you right click on it, and if you're the owner of the NPC, then it's gonna say stocking started, so you can control the stock. And also note how it has the diamond sword, which it's holding in its hand. This is a trader feature. The item that is in the first slot of its inventory is going to be equipped in his hand. So what I want to do is I want to put the apple here because I wanted to sell apples, and I'm going to just put one here because I wanted to sell one apple. So I close the inventory, then it's going to say stocking is finished, and I'm going to add the apple to the sell list. So I'm going to type trader sell apple 1, because we just want to sell one apple for 60 gold coins. And I'm using economy. If you don't want to use economy and just want it to sell for some item, then you put the item ID here and the amount to charge here. So for example, you could sell it for, let's say, stone, which is 1, and a stack of 64 stone for 1 apple. But I'm using economy, so I'm just going to use 60 here. 60 coins. I press enter, and it's now selling 1 apple for 60 gold. And as you can see, it currently only has 1 apple in stock, so if someone buys it, it's going to be out of stock. So what I want to do is, I don't want to refresh my NPCs every day or anything, so I'm going to set it to NPC, it's Trader Unlimited True, and it's not going to run out of this stuff anymore. And another thing I want to do is I wanted to buy cobblestone for my players so that I can get some money. I'm going to type trader buy for his cobblestone, and I wanted to only buy stacks of 64, and I want him to pay 10 gold for that. So I type trader buy for 64.10 and press enter. And it is now buying 64 cobblestones for 10 gold. Okay, now since I'm the owner, if I right click, I'm getting a stocking menu, so I can buy. So I'm gonna set the owner to someone else, and so I can interact with it. Now if you notice, it says transaction log instead of stocking. So I can buy an apple. It says buying 1 apple for 60 gold. I click another time to confirm transaction successful, and I've got the apple here, and it still has the apple because it's unlimited stock. If I click on the sword, it's gonna say isn't being sold here. And I can also sell some cobblestone. I click on it, selling. This message is wrong. I think they have to fix it. But it's actually selling cobblestone for gold, not the other way around. So yeah, I click on that, transaction successful, and I've got the money from that. You also want to know that if the trader is set to unlimited stock, then it's not gonna have any money deducted off it. So we can do trader money to see how much money he has. He's got 60 gold, so if I sell more cobblestone to him, it's still gonna have 60 gold, just because it's an unlimited stock. But PC set owner, I'm gonna give me the owner back so I can change the settings, and then I'm gonna say trader unlimited off, false, sorry. It stopped having unlimited stock, so NPC set owner to someone else again, so I can interact. And now you can see I've bought an apple. It doesn't have it in stock anymore, so it's just going to have as many as you put there. And it's got how much money? It's got 120 gold now because he just sold an apple. And now I'm gonna sell cobblestone, and you can see that it now has, it's got some money deducted. So there it is. That's how you use it. If you got any questions, post them there, and be sure to visit back to see more tutorials. Thank you for watching.